How to fix Forza Horizon 6, not launching or starting on PC. Welcome back to Tenebalta. Today, we're diving deep into a common and frustrating issue for PC gamers. Forza Horizon 6 failing to launch or start. This problem often manifests as the game showing a launching status in the Xbox app or Game Pass, only to revert instantly to the play button without any game window appearing, leaving players in a frustrating loop of non-responsiveness. This typically points to underlying system conflicts, corrupted game files, service malfunctions, or authentication failures, rather than an immediate in-game bug. Our comprehensive guide will equip you with a range of professional, deep-dive technical solutions, from fundamental system checks to advanced troubleshooting steps, ensuring you can diagnose and resolve the core issues preventing your return to the vibrant world of Forza Horizon 6. We'll explore critical system components, service dependencies, and common software conflicts that can silently sabotage your gaming experience. Many factors can contribute to launch failures, including outdated drivers, corrupted system files, conflicts with third-party applications, or issues with Microsoft's gaming services and licensing protocols. Addressing these systematically is key to a stable and successful game launch. We understand the urgency of getting back into the action, so let's meticulously troubleshoot each potential cause to get Forza Horizon 6 running smoothly on your PC. Restart your PC. Often, the simplest solution is the most effective. A system restart can resolve transient glitches, clear temporary memory conflicts, and refresh all running processes, which might be preventing Forza Horizon 6 from initializing correctly by eliminating temporary software hangups or resource contention. Repair Xbox gaming services. Corrupted or malfunctioning Xbox gaming services are a primary culprit for Game Pass titles failing to launch, as they handle critical license validation and game execution. Utilizing the built-in repair tool within the Xbox app attempts to restore these essential system components to their operational state by re-registering and verifying their integrity. Synchronized system time. Incorrect system time or disabled automatic time synchronization can lead to critical license authentication failures with Microsoft servers, preventing Game Pass titles like Forza Horizon 6 from validating ownership and launching. Ensuring accurate time settings aligns your system with network protocols essential for secure online transactions and digital rights management. Update Microsoft Store and Xbox app. Outdated versions of the Microsoft Store or Xbox application may contain bugs or lack necessary compatibility updates for newer game titles, directly causing launch failures or service interruptions. Regularly updating these core applications ensures you have the latest features, security patches, and crucial service integrations for optimal performance. Reset the Xbox app. A corrupted Xbox app cache or configuration can create persistent launch issues, even if the game itself is fine, by providing incorrect launch parameters or failing to communicate properly with game services. Resetting the application clears all cached data and resets settings to their defaults, often resolving software-related conflicts. Verify and repair game files. Corrupted or missing game files, which can occur during download due to disk errors or unexpected system shutdowns, directly prevent a game from initializing correctly. The game file verification process scans your installation for integrity, comparing it against known good files, and re-downloads any damaged or missing components. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a very common cause of game launch failures, as they are essential for rendering game environments and initializing graphical APIs like DirectX. Always ensure you are running the latest stable drivers directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, performing a clean installation if possible. Check for Windows updates. An outdated Windows operating system may lack critical security updates or essential DirectX components required by Forza Horizon 6, leading to incompatibility issues and launch failures. Keeping your system up to date through Windows Update ensures maximum compatibility, stability, and access to the latest performance optimizations. Run Game/Xbox app as administrator. Insufficient user permissions can sometimes prevent applications from accessing necessary system resources, modifying temporary files, or establishing critical service connections, causing launch failures. Running the game executable or the Xbox app with administrative privileges bypasses these potential permission conflicts. Temporarily disable antivirus/firewall. Aggressive third-party antivirus software or a misconfigured Windows Defender firewall can mistakenly flag game executables, related services, or even specific game files as threats, blocking their launch or network access. Temporarily disabling them can help identify if security software is the culprit, allowing for proper exclusions to be configured. Perform a clean boot. Conflicting background applications, especially other game launchers, overlay software, or system monitoring tools, can interfere with game launches by hogging resources or injecting conflicting code. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, helping isolate the problematic software. Reinstall gaming services, advanced. If the standard repair utility for gaming services fails, a full reinstallation can resolve deeper corruption issues by completely removing and then adding back the essential components. This often involves using specific PowerShell commands to unregister and then re-register the service package, providing a thorough reset. Check system requirements and disk space. While fundamental, ensure your PC meets Forza Horizon 6 minimum specifications and that your installation drive has ample free space, as insufficient resources or a nearly full drive can lead to silent crashes or failure to launch. Always maintain at least 15–20% free space on your primary game drive for optimal performance. Run SFC and DISM scans. Corrupted system files can silently undermine various Windows functions, including the ability to launch games and interact with system services. System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, tools are vital for repairing core Windows components, ensuring operating system integrity. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX. Game titles often rely on specific versions of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX libraries for runtime functions, handling graphics, audio, and input. Corrupted or missing versions can lead to immediate crashes or failure to launch, necessitating a clean reinstallation to ensure all dependencies are met. Disable in-game overlays. Overlays from applications like Xbox Game Bar, Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or even other third-party utilities can sometimes conflict with game launches or introduce instability by hooking into the game's rendering pipeline. Temporarily disabling all active overlays can resolve unexpected crashes or launch failures. Change game installation location. If your primary drive is experiencing issues, has complex permission structures, or is simply too slow, moving the game to a different drive, e.g., another SSD through the Xbox Apps Management options can sometimes bypass underlying disk-related problems or I/O bottlenecks. Check user account control UX settings. Overly restrictive user account control settings can sometimes prevent legitimate applications from executing fully or accessing necessary resources without explicit permission, leading to launch issues. Adjusting UAC settings to a more balanced level can resolve these permission-based blocks that silently impede game startup. Reinstall Forza Horizon 6. As a last resort, a complete reinstallation of Forza Horizon 6 ensures a fresh, clean slate, often resolving deep-seated corruption or installation issues that other troubleshooting steps couldn't fix. This is a time-consuming but highly effective solution for persistent, elusive problems. By systematically working through these deep-dive technical solutions, you significantly increase your chances of resolving the Forza Horizon 6 launch failures on your PC. Each step targets specific areas of potential conflict, from core system services and application integrity to driver compatibility and system resource management. We trust this extensive guide has provided you with the necessary expertise to get back on the virtual roads of Forza Horizon 6. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more professional, in-depth technical guides and solutions to your most challenging PC issues.